Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll solve one more problem related to incidence of tax. The question is on the screen. Mr. John is a foreign national. Okay, so they have clearly told that Mr. John is a foreign national. He furnishes the following particulars of relevant for the previous year 2022-23. So the information regarding the previous year 22-23 is produced by him. So let us check one by one. Profit on sale of land at London. So 50% received in India. So in London they are selling the land. So the income is arising in London, which is outside India. In that 50% he has received in India, remaining 50% he has received in London. So there is both foreign income as well as Indian income in this because 50% he is receiving in India, 15% he is receiving in London. So there is both foreign income as well as Indian income. So ಲಂಡನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನ ಅವನು ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ದುಡ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ 50% ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅರೈಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇನ್ಕಮ್? ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಲಂಡನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅರೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 50% ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಇನ್ನ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ 50% ಲಂಡನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೋತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಫಾರಿನ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. Profit from sale of land at London, 50% received in India. So foreign income 1,46,000 is a total amount. 1,46,000 is a total amount. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 50% ಫಾರಿನ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 50% ಲಂಡನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್. ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇವಲ ಆರ್ಡಿನರಿ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. ನಾಟ್ ಎನ್ ಆರ್ಡಿನರಿ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನ್ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಬೀಳಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಫಾರಿನ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಕೇವಲ 73,000 ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡಿನರಿ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. Next, Indian income will be 50%. So 1,46,000 into 50% will be Indian income. So as we are as we are all as we all are aware that the Indian income will be taxable for all the 3%, for ordinary resident, not an ordinary resident, as well as non-resident. So in this problem, there is both foreign income as well as Indian income. Next, profit on sale of plant at Delhi, 50% received in London. So in Delhi they are selling the plant. Delhi is in India. So arising aspect is in India. So they have told that 50% is received in London. This particular information you ignore because if the income is arising in India, it is considered as Indian income irrespective of amount received in India. ಸೊ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅರೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ನೀವು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅರೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ. ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ, ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಆ 50% ಇನ್ ಲಂಡನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಇಗ್ನೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ profit from sale of plant at Delhi, 50% received in London. Ignore that. 50% received in London ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಗ್ನೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಮಾತ್ರ 50% ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಯಾಕೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಚೆಕ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್, ಇನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ದ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಫಾರಿನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ. So we have considered that 50% received in India information. But in the second point, the income has arisen in India only. In that 50% you have received in foreign. So when it is arise in India, it will be in Indian income only. That is the difference. Next, salary from Indian company received in UK. So arising aspect is in India, receiving aspect is in UK. So since it arising aspect, one of the aspect is in India, it is considered as Indian income. So 60,000, 60,000, 60,000. Next, interest on Singapore development bonds 40,000. So Singapore development arising aspect is outside India. Receiving aspect they have not given. If they have not given, by default we will consider as in a foreign country, the same country. So both are outside India. Arising aspect is outside India and receiving aspect is outside India. Then both are outside India. We will consider it as foreign income. It is a foreign income from other sources. In other sources, we will tax only ordinary resident. Next, income from property in England received there. So you had a property in England, from that you are getting certain income, and that income you are receiving in England only. So England alle property in the income ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So arising is in England, received there. Even you are receiving outside India. Both are outside India. When it is outside India, it is considered as foreign income. It is a foreign income from other sources. Foreign income from other sources, only ordinary resident will be taxed. Other two will not be taxed. For this, there is a chart, and that chart I have explained in the part 1 videos. Those who have not seen the part 1 videos, please refer that for the chart. Next, income from agriculture in Nepal received there but later remitted to India. Always remember one thing, in the examination, the word remitted should be ignored. Remitted ಅನ್ನೋ ಪದನ ignore ಮಾಡಿ. What is that remitted means? I would have received the income to my bank account, but that amount I would have remitted to my friend account. That is remitted, means transfer of money. You transfer wherever you want, that is your wish. But income you pay, that is the thing. So remitted, let him remit to any of the account. You should not bother. So just ignore the point remitted. Anywhere in the question you see remitted, just ignore that. So consider only this much information. Income from agriculture in Nepal received there, means both arising is in Nepal and received in Nepal. It is foreign income from other sources. So only ordinary resident will be taxed. Next, dividend received in London from a company registered in India. So company is registered in India. So arising aspect is in India. Whereas you received the dividend in London. So you are receiving in London. Arising aspect India dallide, receiving aspect London allide. Any one of the aspect, arising aspect India dalliro karana, it is Indian income. And you know that Indian income, we will tax all the three residential status. Next, profit from business in Delhi managed from India. So profit from business in Delhi managed from India. So this is a confuser. Managed from India, another, it's a confuser only. So just ignore that. Profits from business in Delhi. So in Delhi, you are doing a business and you have earned a profit. So arising aspect is in India only. When arising aspect is in India, we consider it to be Indian income. Indiaದಲ್ಲಿ ಅರೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ income, so it is an Indian income. Next, rental income from property in Bangladesh deposited by tenant in a foreign branch of Indian bank operating there. So just analyze carefully. So in Bangladesh, there is a branch of Indian bank. ಸೊ ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾದೇಶಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾದೇಶಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನ ರೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯಾರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾದೇಶಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ 12,000 rupees. Okay, but just think carefully. Okay, receiving arising aspect allide, arising aspect is in the foreign country, that is Bangladesh. Income elli arise ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾದೇಶಲ್ಲಿ. Receive ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, it is again getting received in Bangladesh only, deposited by the tenant in a foreign branch of Indian bank operating there. ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾದೇಶಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. It is considered as foreign income because both receiving aspect as well as the arising aspect is outside India. So we consider it to be foreign income. Next, gift in foreign currency of rupees 2,70,000. Gift in foreign currency. So one third of which is received in India. Arising ali foreign ali. Only one third you're receiving in India. So so here again two types of income is there, because one third you are receiving in India. So one third is Indian income. Remaining two third you are not receiving in India. It is a foreign income. One third ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಒನ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಟೂ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫಾರಿನ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ gift in foreign currency, one third of which is received in India. So 2,70,000 into one third will be 90,000. So Indian income will be taxable for all three residential status. Foreign income, it is an income from other source. When it is an income from other source, only the ordinary resident will be taxed. So two third, so 2,70,000 into two third is 1,80,000. So 1,80,000 is the foreign income. When you add everything, you get total income. You will get total income. So the total income is as follows. For ordinary resident, it is 7,36,000. For not an ordinary resident, it is 3,91,000. For non-resident, it is 3,91,000. This is how we need to solve the problem. Hope you have understood how to solve the problem. In my next videos, I'll come back with some more problems related to incidence of tax. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next.